In this video, I'll show you how to use an iron Orchid Designs transfer to turn your piece of furniture into a work of art.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean?
Hey guys, you see that piece right there? I want to put a transfer on it, down here. An IOD transfer, Iron Orchid Designs transfer. I've never done an IOD transfer before. They come in rolls like this. That's one of these. They come with a stick to help you rub it on. So they say it's easy. They claim it's easy. They claim that it's very easy. Let's find out if that's true. I just used some blue painter's tape to hold it in place. Okay, so there it is. I taped it on. So here we go. I used the tool provided by IOD to gently press my transfer onto my piece of furniture.
Run, baby, run, it's haunted here. No one ever escaped this fear. This old house is stripped from all, gutted to the bone.
From time to time during this process, I folded the backing away to see how the transfer was adhering to my surface. I don't know if IOD recommends this or not.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time.
But because this is such a large transfer, I want to be able to pull it off as I go and see where everything is sticking. As the transfer adheres to your piece, it will appear lighter. I'm actually going to take my X-Acto knife and cut off what I've already done. But be very careful because you don't want to cut your piece.
It's about damn time you get it right.
Voila! What do you think so far? I love it.
And you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk by you?
So there it is. It really was pretty simple.
How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth.
Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks! All the products I used to create this piece are listed in the description below. See you next time!
Working on our body language, working on our body language.